Hey y'all, so I wanted to do a video and talk to you guys about the bonnet that I posted the other night. My inbox has been blowing up with questions, so I figured it would just be easier to make a video. So one thing that you need to know about me is that I only believe in putting premium hair care quality products on my hair, and that includes what I sleep in at night, and that is this bonnet by Firstline brands. I absolutely love it because a little background about me. When I go to the salon, I go to the salon about every 2 weeks. I don't put any heat on my hair in between my visits, okay? And so what I do is whether I'm wearing a protective style like a U-part or a sew-in, or I'm wearing my natural hair, I pin curl the leave out of my hair, or I'll pin curl my entire hair, and then I'll pop a bonnet on. Why is that important? Because I have 2 kids and I don't have a lot of time to do my hair in the morning. This bonnet is amazing because not only is it satin lined on both sides, so it's reversible, but it fits very snug and tight to your head, so you don't have to worry about it moving and slipping off in the middle of the night. I'm able to just get up and go the next morning, take my pin curls out, fluff my hair, and go. That's important. The other reason why I love this particular product is because I didn't know this until I did a little research, but this company is Black owned and it's been around for 30 years. They also are very, very passionate about providing a first to market quality product for people, and they believe in promoting healthy hair. And that's important for me because I've had several bonnets that they didn't stay on. They slipped off and I woke up and my hair was a mess. And so that was very frustrating, especially when you don't put any heat on your hair and you want to make sure that you look good every single day. You know, there's a lot of, people out there that have made bonnets, and why is this, bonnet so important to me? Well, we all know that imitation is the highest form of flattery, and there's a company out there that tried to do it, but they just didn't get it right. Their particular bonnet feels like nylon. It doesn't feel good on your hair, and quite frankly, it slipped off all throughout the night. So if you're looking for something that is, high quality, it feels good, it's going to protect your hair, make sure that you continue to have healthy hair, you definitely want to check out this bonnet by Firstline Brands. I absolutely love it. I wanted to show you guys a little picture of it, and you can actually purchase it at Sally's. So I love it, like I said, and if you go to my post, you can see that my hair stayed intact. My curls were flawless all weekend long, and they're still flawless, and I can't lose. I absolutely love it. So, all right, you guys, talk to you soon, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.